Hello, music and art lovers out there. This is Gary Meek.
And Maureen Meek.
I am a jazz and fusion saxophone player, keyboard artist, and band leader from Los Angeles, now based in Monterey, California. Congratulations, Fulton, on reaching your 15,000 YouTube subscriber milestone. Your quiet, calm manner in your art instruction appeals to so many, especially in this anxiety-driven world. We firmly believe more than ever it is our God-given task as artists to spread joy, beauty, compassion, and sanity in this troubled world. Art is what truly makes us human. Art lifts us up, and through art, we have to lift each other up. We are so very happy for you and your ever-growing community of viewers and subscribers. Keep on rolling.